I'd like to start with the theory question. My first question, where are you? The right answer will be that here. Either you are attending my live session or either you are attending a classroom session, the answer will be here. The second question, the second important question, that what's time? The time is now. And if I talk about the third question is what are you right now? The answer will be the moment, the present. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to discuss in my topic about the powers of dreams and how to transform your dreams into reality. Before moving ahead, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon so that you may get notified with my upcoming uploads. And if you found that this video is a good source of information, you are requested to like my video. And if you want that there exists a further improvement, you need to let me know in comment box. Comment box is open for you. I will start with a true story of a little child. A child who dreamed about football. He was a good football player when he was teenage. I'm talking about that child who were born with a few deficiencies. The child was playing during his school time. The child was playing very well. His performance was really outstanding. His performance was really good. And the parents of that child decided to take him to the famous club of the city so that he may get a certain trainings and he may play national level for their country. When they had taken to this national club of the city, the parents came to know about this, that child is performing very well, child is giving a very good results, but there existed something. The child was lacking with something, and that thing was the deficiency, the inborn deficiency itself. Everybody in the club, they pointed out this thing, that everything was okay with child, but he's a very tiny, he's a very little, and the deficiency was the grow up of hormones. He was not growing up like other child. He was having this deficiency in itself. The child was taken to the doctors. The doctor examined, and the doctor said that it is a very rare, but it is a very big as well. So there is a no cure. This disease cannot be controlled, and this child was having inborn deficiency in itself. His hormones will not grow rapidly like other humans. So his height will be the smaller one. On one side, that child was having a dream to become a football player. International, he was dreaming about to become an international player. On other hand, there was an obstacle. The obstacle was that his hormones not letting him to grow like to become a taller like other players. Then the child determined that he have to overrule, he have to ignore his all obstacles, and he will continue, he will determined, he will keep his passion with itself. And the child put a scale with the wall. Every day he used to measure about the improvement, how much, even a single millimeter increase in his height. So he used to measure day by day. Even he was stucking needles in his legs, and he determined that he will never let his deficiencies to control his fate, to control his luck. And finally that child became amazing player, a big player for the football. Ladies and gentlemen, definitely the name came in your mind. I was talking about the Lionel Messi. That is a true story of Lionel Messi. He was named as the best player of the world 7 times for 3 decades. So dreams have important role in your success. Dreams are mandatory. Dreams are free of cost. You have to see these dreams with open eyes. I'm not talking about those dreams you get while you are sleeping. I'm talking about you have to look for those dreams with the open eyes. Dreams are free of cost. You have paid nothing against those dreams. Even poor and rich, a king and beggar, they have same right to see such dreams. I will have another story, a very good story. The story is about the Monty, a little boy who dreamed about to become a horse trainer. The Monty was a school going boy in the California. His father was a horse trainer. He used to see that his father was training the horses. His father want to make the horses to obey him with the violence. But Monty used to think about this, that these horses cannot be controlled with the violence. He have to bring about a few changes in the training process. He have to invent a few more things that these horses can be controlled with a deep association of a human, with a deep association of a trainer with the horses. Trainer may communicate anything with the horses with the love. These horses may be compelled to follow, to obey his master. One day, the Monty went to school. The teacher asked all students to write an essay about their dreams and bring that essay tomorrow. So every student has written the essay, and they came back with the essay in the school. Monty has written a essay about his dream, that he want to become a horse trainer, how he can change the training process, and he has written about his dream to having a 62-acre ranch in the state of California, and he want to breed the race of the horses. He want to breed like a way that the horses may follow with the love. When the teacher studied about that essay, the teacher said that, oh Monty, you had written a wonderful thing, but this thing is a very far away from the reality. I don't want to become a frustrated, but I want you to write about the reality. Whatever you can achieve, you have to write about those goals, you have to write about those dreams. But Monty, you have written something that is not possible. You belong to a very poor family. Your family is not having such a strong resources that in a California you may be able to purchase a 62 acre for the horses, and you want to make a training center in the 62-acre ranch in the California. California is a very expensive state, a very expensive city. So it's not feasible. You have to come with that dream that is possible for you. Tomorrow, Monty came again with the same. He has not changed even a single comma for that. He came with the same essay, and he told that I have no changes in my dreams. My dream is same. I know it's hard. I know there are many obstacles, but I will cross all those obstacles. The teacher warned him that he will give him F. The Monty replied gently that, my dear teacher, no worries, you give me F. You keep F, but I will keep my dream. I'm not gonna change my dream. That was his determination on his dream. He was not going to change his dreams. So the first thing for success is to decide what you want to do, to dream what you want to do. And the second important thing, that you need to believe on you. You should trust on yourself, that what you want to do exactly. You should trust on you. And if you are not trusting on you, it means that you are not trusting on Allah. You should have a strong trust in you. And the third important thing is action. You need to take action against your dreams. I want to give my laptop. Who want to take that laptop? And the answer will be definitely everybody want to take this. If I talk about the money, who want to take that money? The answer will be everybody want to take. And but we have not to stuck about to the answer only. We have to take, we have to give action, we have to grab, we have to take that thing, the person who is going to offer you about something, you have to grab that thing. That will be action. I have a very good thing for you guys, that this is a very good practice, very good phrase. always write your dream. Always write your dream on a piece of paper and repeat that dream every day by writing on a paper. That thing will realize you have this dream. You will find the way how to transform your dream into reality. I know about a writer. The great thing for author or writer is this, that his books may be recognized, may be studied at a national or international level. His books, his writings may become a best-selling book. So I know about that writer, that author has written a book, and within 1 month he got a call that he has a best-selling book in the country. His book gained a very famous, very popularity among the people, and his book is a best-selling book in the country. When he got a call like that, then he opened. He has written that book about a month ago. He has opened that paper. There were a lot of papers with him. He opened. He has written that my book will be a best-selling book in the country. He told me that it was not feasible for him to write such a splendid scripture, but only this dream make it possible that his book become a best-selling book in the country. And the fourth thing for the success I'm going to discuss, that is a preservation. You have to wait for the better result. You have not to rush towards the results. Results always takes time. You know, you heard about this tree, this called, and this Japanese called bamboo. We have the this ladders and stairs. We used to make ladders and stairs of that bamboo. If you put a seed for that bamboo in the soil, for 1 year there will be no symbol that this bamboo will came out of the soil. For 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, for 5 years, there is no sign. Finally, after 5 years, this bamboo will come out of the soil and in the form of a very beautiful plant. When this bamboo come out of the soil, this bamboo starts becoming a tallest day by day, very rapidly, very rapidly. Results are very fruitful, that within 1 year that bamboo become the tallest one than any other tree. Even you are standing near to that tree or that plant of bamboo, you can see that with your open eye that it's growing, it's increasing its height, it's becoming a taller. So the results always takes time. You have not to rush towards the results. If you are not getting results immediately, you have not to postpone, you have not to discard your dreams, but you still need to determine for that, and inshallah the results will be very good. So that was it. Guys, if you like my video, if you found that this video is a very informative, is a very good, spread it in your society, in your people, in your country, and across the borders of country. Jazakallah.